Hello, students. Chapter 3 in First Flight includes two parts. We have already learnt part 1. Now let's move on to part 2, The Black Aeroplane, written by Frederick Forsyth. This story offers a psychological insight into a character under stress. The narrator is a pilot who is so eager to meet his family and have a good breakfast. So he takes the wrong decision of facing the storm instead of doing the right thing. Miraculously, he somehow manages to escape with the help of a mysterious aeroplane. The author was flying his old Dakota aeroplane over France. He was on his way to England. It was a beautiful moonlit night. The sky was clear. The author was happy to have an easy flight. He was dreaming of meeting his family and having a good big English breakfast on reaching home. On his way, he called the Paris control room and informed about his flight and destination. He was advised by the control room that he should turn 12 degrees west. He checked the compass and other instruments and followed the instructions. He also switched over to his second and last fuel tank. It was a clear sky and the pilot had an easy flight. But suddenly he saw huge storm clouds in front of him. He could not fly over them because he did not have enough fuel. He could go back to Paris, but his eagerness to meet his family and have breakfast stopped him from taking this decision. He decided to take the risk. He flew his plane straight into the black clouds. Everything was black inside the clouds. Nothing could be seen outside the aeroplane. He saw that his compass and other instruments had stopped working. He did not know where he was and how to come out of the clouds. He was lost in the storm. Suddenly, he saw a black aeroplane flying next to him. He was happy to see another plane near him. The pilot of the black plane waved his hand and asked the other to follow him. The other followed him like an obedient child. The black plane flew in front of the Dakota for about half an hour. The fuel in the Dakota was about to exhaust. The other again felt scared. His plane could fly only for 10 minutes more. But soon the black plane started going down and the other followed through the storm and landed safely on an airport. After landing safely, the other wanted to thank the pilot of the black aeroplane. But the sky was empty. The black aeroplane was gone. He could not see it anyway. He asked the woman at the control center about the other pilot. She looked at him strangely and then laughed. She told that no other aeroplane was flying that night. She could only see his aeroplane on the radar. The pilot was surprised to hear all this and kept on wondering who had helped him to arrive and land safely without a compass or radio and without any more fuel left in his tank. He kept thinking about that strange black aeroplane and its mysterious pilot. The key points that we have learnt in this chapter. The pilot was looking forward to spend time with his family, which shows his concern and love for his family. His adventurous spirit is reflected through his willingness to take up risks and to fly straight into the storm. His idea of being led by another aeroplane might be his subconscious mind that guides him in the right direction. He does not lose confidence but has a presence of mind to stay calm and composed. Thank you.